y'all boys really don't know how to make a Pop-Tart special, you feel me? This is my meal for the day. I ain't gonna cap to you. We're about to take it. Give me a nice little heated Pop-Tart. And yeah, I'm gonna get on with that video, but let me make this right quick and I'm gonna come back to y'all boys. Give me a second. Let me get my heated Pop-Tart, bro. 44, that be the gang. What's good, y'all boys? It's your boy Bone, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be going a couple of places, bro. I got a very special surprise for y'all boys. Before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment and let me know how y'all feel about what I'm about to do. But yeah, so we finna go to these places. First, I'm gonna go help my dukes. After I help her out, I'm gonna go to these places, about to head there. Shouldn't be too far. So after I do that, you feel me? I'm about to get y'all boys right. Y'all ready? All right, let's get into the video. We'll go ahead and put y'all boys on what we're doing today. We'll be making jorts, bro. Came back into style. Knowing me as a fashion designer and brand owner, I'm gonna make some jorts. Alright, so we done made it to the Goodwill to make sure I have my wallet and some more stuff. But yeah, bro, gotta go in here and look for some jorts. They got a BB building here, bro. Alright, so we have the jeans section. Now we gotta find some jeans that's big enough to turn into jorts, bro. I'm not gonna be wearing some crazy jeans, bro. These are hard. No cap. Good Samaritans. I think he's gonna work. What y'all think? But like, they work for somebody else. I gotta make sure I can fit them. 34, 30. Yeah, these will work. There's some tough shorts in here though. Like, no cap. Just regular shorts. These Nike ones hard. I could make this video like 2-in-1 for real. Like how to style some, I don't know, bro, some Goodwill clothes, bro. I don't know what else I'm looking for. Excuse me. I don't know what else I'm looking for. Nah. Definitely not. So we got these 34s. Oh, these, come on, bro. Can't beat it. And then we got jeans. We got it. Let's go check out. Bruh, what? That is actually ridiculous, bro. That works. Thank you so much. You too. I was we gotta head to freaking store, bro. We got the jeans. Now we're gonna head to the craft store, and I got some scissors at the house, but we gotta get some more stuff. Yeah, we got these. Now we gotta go get the patches, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the store.
Stop it.
Somebody was gonna tell me there's a car behind me, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do going into this. I'm about to get some patches. Like cheap shit, honestly. God, I don't know where I'm going, bro. Like, no cap. I gotta... Are we found? Alright. I got a jacket that I put this star on the top of, bro, and it came out so tough, bro. So, $249 for two. Okay. All right, that works. Put that back. All right, they're blue. They got some different colors. Oh, they got these. I think we get these. Get these. How much are these though? These like $1.99. I don't know. I don't like wanted something like that. Or like this. Like put a heart. This is $4.99, bro. That's a big commitment, gang. I caught something like that, bro. Y'all gotta. But these are $4.99 too. Oh, they got wings. Hey, yeah, nah, this is a big dub right here. For $4.99 or $4 something, bro. It's an iron-on too, so you just iron that bit. 2 wings. for $4.49. All right, so we rocking out with this. This is all they got. So I make some wing jorts. Let's get right. We got the wings. I'm gonna show y'all boys how we make custom jorts. Mobile in the back. Man, I really don't know why them cars always feel the need to follow me, bro. Like, I just be trying to record my video and going about my day, and cars be wanting to follow me, bro. Like, no pictures, no pictures.
Shut your stupid.
We just got back, and we got all the materials for real. So boom, we got jorts, jeans, and iron-on pads. These fit the best. And then, yeah, but let me go throw these in the washer. And yeah, let's go throw them in the washing machine. They have just finished, the jeans have just finished drying. Nah, no cap. They're a little damp, but I took them out because I ain't want to prolong this video no longer. So I've just finished drying. And yeah, I'm probably gonna save these for like a styling video. I think I'm gonna do a styling video on these, and I'm gonna do these right here. So let's get these. I bet. So we better bring the pants down here. So here we go. Here are the jeans. Feel me? Don't laugh at my setup, bro, because listen, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Put them on one leg like this actually look tough. I think they do look tough, bro. They look actually tough. I think I might just do it on one leg, y'all. I know y'all might think that's crazy, but like, y'all get the gist, right? I don't think both legs, I don't think it works. For real, no cap. Maybe if, hold on, let me see. I'm gonna look at the back one more time. Yeah, nah, it looks better in the front. Officially done. And yeah, so next thing, I'm gonna just put them on, have somebody record me. I might record myself, and yeah, we're just gonna give it the flare look. Y'all gonna see. Alright, y'all boys, that's gonna cap it off for this video. I hope y'all liked it. I took y'all with me everywhere. A recommendation that I start bringing y'all in the stores with me. So that's what I did. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed another day in the life, but also a tutorial video on how to take some cheap clothes and make them yours. Probably gonna be putting this one on again. I only put it on for the day. So, but yeah, that's gonna cap it off for this video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. So make sure y'all hit that like button. So make sure y'all leave a comment. So we can get going. So we can grow. Yeah, that's it. Y'all boys be straight. Be easy. Stay prayed up. And yeah, we going.
Okay, bye.